Transitions often take a lot of editing, but I figured out a cool transition that you can do that requires minimal editing. So it just requires one clip, you film it, reverse it, and you've got yourself an epic Instagram reel. I'm gonna show you how to do an easy Instagram transition in this YouTube video. Hi, I'm Ida, a corporate storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. For this video, you actually have to start with all the clothes that you want to wear at the end, because what we're going to do is we're going to start with the end and then move it to the beginning. So you're going to film yourself with this stuff on. So I'm going to go into my camera app. Let's rotate this. So I say I'm going to start with a little head tilt, and then I'm going to start getting rid of all my stuff. Okay, so here we go. Start with the end. Okay, so now it's just a matter of reversing your clip. So to reverse my clip, I'm going to go into CapCut. I'm going to select New Project. I'm going to click on Add the Video. So done. Now I'm going to click on the video. I'm going to add it, and I'm going to select that video. Now here at the bottom, I'm just going to scroll over to it says reverse. I'm just going to wait for it to reverse, and we'll see. Now I'm just going to cut out the parts that I don't want, so I can click on it and I can trim the end and I can trim the beginning. Now play it. Perfect. Now I'm going to export this. I'm going to go into Instagram Reels. So Reel, I'm going to swipe up and I'm going to add my video. I'm going to trim it so that logo of CapCut doesn't appear at the end. There we go. And I can add some music. And I have my transition video made simply with CapCut without having to worry about any cuts. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.